The Lost Carnelian Necklace is a Chakhesang Naga folktale, which is said to be based on a true story. This story is about a young lady named Vehle, who was sorely ill-treated by her stepmother. She lost her mother while she was very young, and her father married another woman named Vekele, so that he would have a helpmate to bring up his young daughter and also help him cultivate his fields.
Vehle, come and pour more raspberry in my cup.
Yes, right away, Apo. Azor, I have a favor to ask you. Today at the gathering, we all decided to put on the necklace. So will it be okay if I lend one of yours?
Vehle, go and help her find the necklace, and so help her to get ready for the youth gatherings. It's already getting late.
Aya, why does she always keep on asking my stuff every time? On top of that, she's not even my daughter. Why will I even bother to help her?
Vehle, just stand there. Go and help her prepare. She's not going to lose your necklace, nor going to give it to anyone.
Vehle! Come here. Here, this is my necklace. Take it and use it. But remember, this is the most precious thing I have it and own it. Don't you ever lose it or damage it, or else you'll get in trouble. Understand?
Thank you so much, Azor. I promise I'll wear it carefully and bring it back home safely.
My dear daughter, take it safe. Go and come home safely, all right?
Vehle, oh Vehle, are you ready? All our friends are going already.
Wait her for a minute. She's getting ready only now.
We better hurry, Vehle. We're getting late.
Oh, coming. Alright then, Azor, Apo, I'll be on my way.
Keep in mind what I told you. Remember to bring my necklace back home.
Take care then, my dear daughter.
Okay, Azor. Okay, Apo.
Oi! Oh, Zuko! Today, we'll walk on this side of the field. Oh, Zuko! Let's stop our walk here for today and let's have our meal.
Azuko, come. Let's all go to the pond nearby and refresh ourselves.
Let me keep my necklace somewhere safe.
Guys, look at Hello, how beautiful she is.
Wow, guys. Very so charming, hardworking. I need to approach her parents.
She's not just beautiful. She's very good in all the works as well. She will be a good mother. Look at Chinelo also. Wow, she's pretty.
What about Seiko? She's looking very gorgeous.
If I don't have a girlfriend, I'll go approach her for sure.
Wow, look at her smile. I really need her.
Oh, Zuko! It's getting dark. We shall try to go home now.
Anipo, where is my necklace? I kept it here. My Azu will be so mad at me if I ever lost that necklace.
We'll help you search for it, don't worry. Azuko, come, let's help her find the necklace.
We can't find it anywhere. How am I gonna face my Azu without the necklace now?
We are not sure whether we'll get it or not. I think it will be better if we won't go back home now. Yes, Vala, it's already getting dark. Let's go home.
All of you go ahead. I'll try searching somewhere else again. Oh, where is it? I kept it here. How will I face my Azu now? I can't see anything. It's getting darker and darker. It's better I go early in the morning tomorrow and search well.
The necklace was nowhere to be found. Hence, with a heavy heart, Vehlu went back home, hoping to find it the next day.
Azo, Apo, I'm home.
Why are you so late than usual, my dear?
How comes you're coming home only now? All your friends have already gone home from before.
Azo, I lost the necklace which you gave me. I kept it on the rock before going in the water, but when we came back, it was nowhere to be found.
What? You rich girl? I told you to be careful with my necklace, right? You better bring back my necklace at any cost.
I'm so sorry, Azo. I promise I'll go early in the morning tomorrow and bring it back home.
Well, Azu, stop getting mad over the necklace. At least she came home safely. This what matters.
It's okay, Apo. I'll go early in the morning tomorrow and find it for Azo.
Vehlu was so worried that restlessness and sleeplessness accompanied her for the rest of the night. As soon as dawn breaks in, she rushed on back to the place where the necklace vanished.
Oh, where is it? Where is it? I'm sure I kept it here, but I can't find it anywhere. Where is it?
Oh, Zikri, no pimiji akri butate azitisele.
Soon after she uttered those words, the necklace surprisingly appeared near Vehle. She was so overjoyed on finding
found
the
the
necklace, and she went home running to return the necklace to her mother, without realizing what she said earlier.
Azo,
Little did she know that the
Azo.
spirit had actually overheard her plea.
Azo, I got the necklace. I got your necklace. I hope your heart is really full now.
Wow, you finally found my necklace. Give it back to me here. Vela, come here. Something has happened to Vela. Vela, my dear
Soon after
daughter,
Vehle
wake
handed
up,
over the
wake
necklace to
up.
her mother, she fell to the ground. To his utter grief and shock, the father found that his daughter was dead and lifeless. Thus, he realized that the spirit had actually claimed his daughter in place of the carnelian necklace.
Oh, my dear daughter, my dear child Vela, what have you done? How cruel is your mother? The necklace seems more precious to her than your life. Oh, you poor soul.